She returned to the States and joined the staff right here at Southwest General. When she worked here, she knew she had to speak out wherever she saw injustice and inhumanity. God save us. You do understand that, don't you, Dr. Brewster?
I never laid a hand on her.
Yes, you did. And she was shunned by all you nurses, too.
Give me something, one. I don't need backs. 2 or 3, go left and right.
What do you call it?
No, 2, go left. 3, go right.
Doctor, who found her but she was deeply, 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 deeply loved by her brother. It was this brother who on the day of her death swore to the good Lord above that he would follow in her footsteps and just
Don't.
owe it all up to her, but on her terms, as a woman, and just proud to be a woman, as she ever was. For I am not Emily Kimberly, the daughter of Dwayne and Alma Kimberly. You are not.
I'm Edward Kimberly, the reckless brother of my sister Anthony. Edward Kimberly, who has finally vindicated his sister's good name. I'm Edward Kimberly, and I'm not mentally ill, but proud and lucky, and strong enough to be the woman that was the best part of my manhood, the best part of myself. That is one nutty hospital.
I knew there was a reason she didn't like me.
Commercial.
Cut it.
Cut.
Just check.